Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so happy to be here, and also because I'm gonna be stamping my nails. I know you guys love those videos and I love stamping my nails too. It's been a while, so if you're new on stamping and you want to learn, let me tell you what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some stamping polish. Here I have some Mundo de Uñas. This is from Mexico. Also a clear stamper. I love using clear stampers. This one is from AliExpress. It's not available anymore, but those are my favorites. Also, one of my favorite scrapers is this one from BeautyBigBang. It's just perfect, at least for myself. So also gonna be using a napkin to wipe my scraper after scraping the plate. Also, I'm gonna be using this big Super Placa, which is Super Placa E, and it's from Apipila. These are from Brazil. Here I have, this is the design that I'm gonna be stamping on my nails. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start stamping my nails. Also, I use a lint roller to clean my stamper. This one is from Dollar Tree. You guys, I also want to say before I get started, I want to say, like, for example, this plate, the edging is pretty deep, so you need to put enough polish. But once you get the idea of things, you will know. But I'm just saying, make sure you put enough polish, and make sure when you scrape, it scrape pretty good. And I'll show you in a minute. So we're gonna go ahead and apply some of this beautiful pink stamping polish, and I'm just gonna go ahead and scrape and pick it up. Now, when you place it on your nails, you decide where you want to stamp. And usually if it's a deep edging and you have a lot of polish when you pick it up on your stamper, I usually give it a couple of seconds, because sometimes if you don't, your image is gonna smudge on your nail and it's not gonna look good at all. But let me just show you, that's how it looks. It looks pretty good. Let me fix my lights. I feel like they're not right. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and stamp the rest of my nails. Once I'm done, I will come back and talk to you guys. Alright, you guys, so that's how my nails look. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean around my cuticle. So sometimes what I do, I'll get my lint roller and just kind of get rid of some of that stamping polish on the sides on my fingers, and usually it works. So, or you can get a piece of tape also, that will work. I think you can do with most of the stamping polish, at least with the ones I have. But if it doesn't, and then that's when the acetone, when you clean around with the acetone. Okay, you guys, so that looks pretty good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some acetone here, and then I have my brush to clean around my cuticles before I top coat And then once I'm done, I'm just gonna go ahead and top coat. And another thing, also when you're using gel, like this is a gel polish on my base, you can actually top coat and then just grab a wipe with some acetone and just, you know, on top of it, because acetone is not gonna damage your nails after you apply the top coat. That top coat, the gel top coat, will protect your stamping polish. So I don't know, just saying, that would be a easy, lazy way. But since I don't want to teach you guys lazy, well, I guess I do want to teach you guys, but I don't want to put it on my video. Okay, see how easy that was? Now I'm ready to top coat. I'm gonna be using no, that's my base coat. Where is my top coat? So here I have my top coat, Born Pretty top coat, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it, and then I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds, and then you're done. So let me just go ahead and do that. Finish top coating and curing it for 30 seconds, and I'll be back at the end of the video to show you guys. Alright, you guys, so this is how my mani looks. I think it looks really pretty. It's nothing special, but it looks really nice. What do you guys think? I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna try to leave the links for everything that I use so you guys can find it. I'm not sure though, but I'm gonna try. Also, just want to say, you know, if you want to create some beautiful designs, this is an easy way, and I hope you guys learn how to do it, because like I said, it's really fun. Also, I enjoy doing stamping on my nails. It's very relaxing and it's just fun. It makes me happy. I know there's a lot of people up there that gets really happy by doing their nails. So yeah, you guys, other than that, I have nothing else to say other than I hope you guys liked this review. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye, you guys. Bye. Adios.